How to fix Telegram too many attempts, please try again later. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In today's video I will guide you on how you can fix Telegram too many attempts, please try again later issue, so make sure to watch this video till the end. Now without any all those blah blah stuff and off-roading thing, I'll just get to the directly to the point. So maybe you're trying to log into Telegram, right? And then you're just trying to log in, it simply says too many attempts because maybe incorrect code and so on. First of all, just make sure that you're receiving notifications and messages. So if you have do not disturb mode turned on, just make sure to turn that off basically, and then make sure your network is actually working just fine. Now don't try it from the same thing over and over again. First of all, close it and then relaunch it and then see if that solves the problem. If it doesn't, why this happens is because Telegram has actually limited your IP address from accessing the server. So you might want to wait for a couple of hours to try it again, or else you can open up the App Store. You can simply download any of the VPN application over here. Once you download any of the VPN application, you can simply go ahead and connect to those specific VPN and then try to relog into Telegram over here, because this is going to change the IP address, and if Telegram has limited the IP address, changing the IP address will do the trick. If you're not comfortable with using a VPN, one simple way to change the IP address is by simply switching to mobile data. So if you are using Wi-Fi, try to switch to cellular data, or more importantly, if you also have some other Wi-Fi's, try to connect to this Wi-Fi and try to log into your account. Make sure that your number is correct, make sure that everything is correct, and then after that you should definitely be able to fix the too many attempts. Please try again later on Telegram. Hope this video helped you. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.